So I'm installing my Faux Locs today. I just about a week ago took out the last batch that I had in. I had them in for 2 months, took them out, let my hair rest for about a week, and now I'm putting in a new set of Faux Locs. Depending on the website you get it from, it'll say jet black or it'll say #1. Jet black. And then I'm gonna mix that with, they called it wine, I believe. You can't really tell on camera, but up close in the light, it's actually a really, really dark red color, which I think is gonna look good in the summer weather. I usually do about 60 locks. There's 15 in a pack, so 4 packs of hair. Then I have a 5th pack that I keep in case I need to replace them. One gets too loose, one gets a little knotty. My hair is already braided up. That's the first step. I have one little section left that I wanted to do on camera. So as you can see, my hair is braided, and the white on the braids is just a leave-in conditioner that I made myself, a leave-in cream just made from shea butter and some essential oils. And then I use Eco Styler gel. Very simple, nothing fancy. If you need to detangle, you can. I do have a little comb here. I just want to make sure that there's nothing catching in my ends. So once it runs through there pretty smoothly, we can just move on. And here's the shea butter mix. Just putting that along the shaft of the hair. My hair does not dry out when it did not, I've only had them in one time before. It did not dry out while I had my locks in for 60 days. I kept my scalp nice and moisturized. I washed my hair once a week with the locks in. It was fine. If you keep your hair moisturized and you're diligent about it, your hair will be fine. I promise you. I have my little crochet hook. And see here, it has like the little taily on it. That's what you want. And I just got this from Amazon. Like I got like a full pack of these for like $5. Oop. So what you're gonna do, I'll start with this one here. Right here, hope you can see that. You're going to loop this through the root of the braid. Make sure it slides all the way through. Make sure you have the little taily as well. Put the loop of the dreadlock onto the hook. Make sure you close it. And then you're just gonna pull that through the root. Now you're gonna find the loop again, and you're going to take the braid and the dreadlock through that loop together. And then you just pull it. Now, you do have your braid that's still loose. What you're gonna do is you're gonna just unravel this a little bit, taking it the opposite direction that is twisted, and you're just gonna tuck that in. Now, mind you, you will probably have to go back through your hair and find where it pokes through and fix it on your own. But for the most part, it should tuck in very easily. I'm just fixing the end of it here. See how it's still poking through a little bit right there? You just tuck that in. Sometimes after, like especially after you wash your hair, they will be poking back through. See along there, it's poking a little bit. Just go back in, unravel a little, and tuck. It's not a big deal. Like, not to me. I don't care if it pokes through a little bit. But for the most part, this is your dreadlock. This is how it looks. You can't see how far down it goes, but it's like right above my belly button. I'm very short, so 18 inches of hair is very long on me. I'm only 4'10". I don't know how long this would be on someone who's taller and has a longer torso, but for me it's like right above my belly button. Easy loop. I'll try one at the top of my head to see if that's easier for you to see. And my crochet, put it through the loop, and you just hook it on there, close it, pull it back through. You find the loop, take the braid and the dreadlock together, pull it back through the loop, and then you just pull it tight. Very simple. Now you take this, take your dreadlock, find the way that it ravels, unravel it a little bit, and you're just going to tuck it in. Just tuck it in. Very nice and simple. That's your dreadlock. Very easy. And I hope you can imagine how this is gonna look when it's done.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I think it's very cute and I think it turned out pretty well. I hope you can see, if you look pretty closely, the wine colored locks that are mixed into there, and they look really good against the jet black. And it only took me about 45 minutes to an hour to finish completely installing and tucking in each one. Sometimes when I don't want the hair on my neck, I do style it in a sloppy bun, which is just as cute and very lightweight, I promise you. So overall, this is the look, and if you liked it and you liked my video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Please turn your notifications on, thank you, and check the description box in this video for links to other uploads that I've got. Until next time guys, God bless.